Negasngi Menteri Rangba Kajela da wanwai uya litali ki moyurim ki krek hapok ke Raliang, hei emlang Menteri Kacenat Tourism usngau bahalang dahar, MLA ke Raliang coming one mbon wa kiwi. Kini ki krek kentup ki yochna ya ke Raliang Fire and Emergency Service Station, ichna ya ke Raliang Wayside Amenities kawaman katau bam tau bu dukan harut serong, yo yarap ya ki kam unsuri, weda waile yo moyurim, wada depchna ya ke Raliang Creator Water Supply Scheme ko wada saaten da bon snem. Hakani kesengi da yo iklam na ke beautiful suciang ka waman ke sekretari ke yarap lang SHG na ke cenong mule, hei wada kana ko yaki parom wada lai luti ko, wei kaman da yo mentoy ka na kicinat sorkar, wada penclur ko yaki wi wo wai yaki bang akaun yo yaki niki mentoy. Da kentu ko yaki wiki kentai wo yarangkat waki cenrang lah iki ikre waki wiki jaikam. Ukoming one bon hawi ye kelam hakani kesengi da pensingau waka fire service hakatany ko du ko wi don hi hasapai we ne da man kam sekiat idawa he wada yo uchnano yakani ka fire and emergency service Raliang I wada angnot ki pajba da bon snem. Heyato waka creator Raliang water supply scheme ko wa arpa wi klur da ye wo pendep yaka duha po snem don hi Hadien wa saaten ikre da ki pau snem na chwa we wadaw yo amantoy ki liphaw to liki chnong nagani ka scheme. Da kentu ya ki pajba wo kre lang wa ki chnat sorkar kam jule wo penman ya ki chnong ki wa khoi. Neliang ukon rat sang ma hawi ye kelam da ongu wa gani ka sorkar kat ni da kre ka wo penman ya ka jela kam ka best state hagari de wa wanra chibun ki mission wa ki thong kre kam. Da batay ukamon umentoy ki warem ki khenro khulut wa ki manbay na ki scheme wa harukam wa wanra ka sorkar MDA hapo iya khamat ke NPP. Hejo ipor da kentu ya ki khenro ki SHG wa ki wi ki yo mentoy wo man ki krek chitom we wo pen kam hok ye yarap wa yo na ka sorkar khnang wo ku iyo ila yongki haiwan iwan ikre khnang wo mentoy ka yung ka sem yongki. Hagani kesengi da samle ya ki check ki SHG wa ki producers group hapo yong ka focus yes wa ka NRLM CIF ki konsier wa ki konsnyang hapo yong ka progress. Hagani kesengi da yo ki kentin pediang buram na project director ke di RDA West Giant Hills UPK Boro we da pun phu pen phe nya kani kesengi dai chan.
Agis kit da saram wo phana ji wa kani scheme to scheme ko da rimba mari job kau MLA yang ini katakan kau arjar pra arjar how function ini scheme kam arho Wyrta tenidau wa yo kontraktor umle kam orang dikasih yo kontraktor jangan i jino song yo kontraktor wa kre mentu arbana songye kre cisni salna songye nedidau cimpor hada o pol wanangan ngalian kawai malilo pi dada wari nga wo penbor yo minister ton terminate ton cancel bi kontraktor nang wo ngi kam lagi sama Hadien ada terminate bi kontraktor lain sekut kata orang bampor bi sita snem aku settle di kam kokut tasafu wong wa Hadien ada penbaik nadong sedong ite da yo pendap ini scheme dua poi belum kot apo si snem dani kadang tengah staf kemana aduk kata wagani ke scheme wo perga kereta Raliang na kani hak kamu lepau beli di chinong ko ini scheme aji to oga fire service kani fire service hagini thau yang i po kala skin block worok gowi ME dugowi don hi ta supply talat am ginu jingjia yo ngasi aji to awa ke jing inding gi yung isam lagi lombi wa bolsin penmi ge jing saksi nedau wong ME ka fire service ajan cenong ajan tau nei gesni do orlong ke jing angnut yo pi ki pai ba ang cenong kamtam yo ke cenong Raliang ko wada yo push yo ong so nga man por ha go thola thong ti pun yo ya ni fire service ta sesisin Raliang nga dap de jing sa komen pro hado kate warga lang di jingkret lang di officer da ye penman ya kaniga fire service wajok ha go bo yo mau long rem tu ski ha kaniga song lia ya kaniga wayside amenities wa jo ong i kuriga dhaba kathau di cha hola wani Kini projek la dia bega tu mula-mula sistem tam. Dan lai segi yo wai ka. Gan tengah iwi yo kwa wong ini. Kayi ko pemanu yo iya gini development. Ndai ko pemanu yo ini development wa pikam ki pai ba nong chong snong yong ni ka thai yo i. Wa em bi ji kre lang rengkat na. Nei ji dau yo ini development. Ngam pula de plan jong ti bawa. Ka program ini snem chuai. Nei des nagaliang na sistem chua wa pungkula wa kamtam ye pi ki sel group. Na chnong yo fair. Kamu kelam tu win ngaman be. Na do em di sel group control ke pi ngaman be. Kajing temu ini kalau sokar yo pengkeram. Mo yo empower ye pi ki ban be. Kakak man kani ngacam mo do em di sel group hari chnong yo fair. Cipon ki bentar ni activities ko pi chem bentar bi. Kamta majing to oi kam chnong kam thao. Ipun ko chnong ko thao. Lalu kami di sel group ngayo chnong thao em. Borsin teman di chnong do khod
ki chnong waro kalasken block dat o daka jinsnyaw nu yaka jinkirchan yong pi waro yai wa wan pi na ki chnong yong pi ban lekmen lesnyoba Mintu Kashmir. We intend to give 5,000 per beneficiary into the producer group accounts, which means if you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh rupees every year. Not only in the bank account of the groups, we also intend to give each member in their personal account 5,000 rupees more. So 5,000 will go into the group account and 5,000 into your personal account. Which means every member, the 4.5 lakh families in our state who are in rural areas and who depend on farming and agriculture, the government intends to give 5,000 plus 5,000, which is 10,000 rupees per family every year. And today, we are going to distribute the Focus Plus identity cards to you. These are the cards that will be there with you for a very long time. And it is with this card that you will get this 5,000 rupees benefit into your personal account. Beneficiaries will get the first installment of 1,000 rupees each. After that, through this entire month of November, in different parts of the state, we are registering Focus Plus members and we will continue to give 1,000 rupees each. The second installment of 4,000 rupees we will be giving in the month of December, in the first week, most probably on the 5th of December, where we will have a very big program in every different block, and we as a government will be either in Shillong or Pura, and from there into the accounts of all the Focus Plus beneficiaries, we expect that we should have close to 2.5 lakh families. At the same time, we will be distributing 4,000 rupees direct into every beneficiary's account, which means in the first week of December, close to 100 plus crores will be distributed to over 2 lakh families through the Focus Plus account and the Focus Plus program. And we intend to have this program every year. So you can imagine that if 10,000 rupees for 4 lakh families, which is close to 400 crores every year, goes into your account, and we continue this every year for the next 10 years, it means that our farmers and the producer groups, at the end of 10 years, will receive close to 4,000 crores in their accounts. And this amount is a game changer for us. If the farmers and the groups are able to utilize this money in the correct manner, take the money out when you need it, deposit the money back into the account once you receive your money, keep rotating this money, you can imagine the kind of revolution that will take place at the grassroots level.
snem Sathat West, tas yang bhai thapti sachisen yigni oro. Don Bosco Youth Development Society One Chakman, an educational center for